I'm Baba Amin. Let the global Black education revolution begin. This is the Uhuru Academy.
But work still needs to get done. Right. And we welcome the accountability. We welcome the challenge that comes with building an institution of learning. We welcome the challenge of Black excellence. And I pray that you're welcoming that challenge in your life as well. And again, if you want to be attached to something, if you want to cling to something, to support something that has that type of dedication, that type of energy, that type of commitment, then definitely become an Uhuru Academy Patreon. You know, when you go there, it's going to give you all the rules and all the ways that you can show support. I think that you become a patron for as low as $5 a month. You know what I'm saying? And so check it out, y'all. Check it out.